Hey guys, it's me, Jamie Cox. Unfortunately, I can't come to you live because YouTube have absolutely screwed me over. Apparently you need 1,000 subscribers before you can go live on a mobile device, and quite frankly, giving you a studio tour through a webcam would kind of be garbage. So I've had to pre-film this whole video. I do apologise. I will do a live walkthrough at some point, probably on Facebook. But for now, it's going to have to be a pre-recorded one, so I'm going to make it a good one. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the studio tour. Here we are, the Opie's workshop. All the lights are out at the moment, so all we do is we simply say, Echo, let's go to work.
Opie's in the house.
So here we have all of our products, where all of our products are stored. Over here we have our lighting rig for our YouTube setup. Got all the magazines we featured in here. Again, product setup just there. Tons of workspace. And the coup de grace. Custom made sign for our YouTube background. Sink and hob for making products. And of course you've got to have a TV to watch some awesome Opie's Beard Co. YouTube videos, right? And that's kind of about it, guys. I'm not going to show you in all the cupboards because quite frankly it's boring, and I'm sure everybody's seen inside of kitchen cupboards before. It's no different, apart from the fact instead of it's not butter, we have actual butters to make beard products. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the workshop tour. Again, I apologise that I wasn't able to do it live and take questions and interact with everybody. But YouTube, as I said, absolutely suck. And once I get the 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing more live videos. But as I said, walking around with a laptop and a webcam was just not going to be very good for anybody, really, was it? So thank you very much everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe, take a look at our other videos. We've got some awesome content on there. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye.